Hello and welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start an online business in 2024. So you might have seen a lot of people online talking about doing online business, making money online, how to build wealth online using smartphone and all of that. You might have seen all of those things, and maybe you're wondering, how exactly do you start, or what exactly should you be doing to start making money online? You don't need to think for too long. This is a video you should watch to the end, because if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to be showing you how to start an online business in 2024. All right, if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, my name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you beautiful things. I give you tips, I give you guides that can help you to make money online. All right, so if you're excited, I am also excited, and I'm very glad to have you on this channel. So before I go into the video, all I want you to do for me is to kindly click the like button of this video and click the subscribe button, and when you do that, don't forget to also click the notification bell, so that when I put out new videos, you are going to be the first to be notified. All right, so quickly help me kindly do that now. All right, so I believe you've done that. Now let's go straight into the video. Let me show you how to start an online business in 2024. So to start an online business, the first thing you need to understand is that an online business demands dedication. It demands what? Dedication. It demands adaptability. You need to understand that this is a different platform, different from doing business offline. Okay, so when you want to do business online, it demands dedication, adaptability, and the commitment to keep improving. A lot of people want to start a business. They start a business online, and eventually when they start seeing some setbacks or some challenges, they give up eventually. If you want to grow a business, if you want to build an online business that you can be making a lot of money from, a business that is sustainable, you need to understand that doing online business is not easy. It's not a quick scheme. So you need to understand that it is something that you start and you keep doing it. You keep doing it until you start to see growth. All right, that is how it works, and that's the fact that I want you to have in mind if you are going to be going into an online business. All right, so that is fact number one, the fact that you need to keep in mind. Okay, so how do you start an online business? The first thing to do before you start an online business is to do your research. Very, very, very important. A lot of people hear that you can make money online and they rush to go and start. Sometimes they might even have some small change in their hand. The small money you have in your hand, they go and pump it, expecting that immediately they pump it into the business, they start seeing money immediately. It doesn't work like that. All right, you need to do your research before you start. You need to spend some time to do some thorough research. You need to go online. If it takes some time for you to read, for you to watch some videos, for you to actually ask questions, you need to do that. Okay, very important. You need to also check for market trends. You need to check what your competitors are doing. Okay, you need to check what exactly do people want before you think about which business you want to go into. You need to understand your industry. All right, what's happening in your industry? Let's say you are interested in maybe doing e-commerce, or you are interested in starting a service-based business. You need to understand what exactly is happening in that industry where you are planning to start your business in. Okay, you need to be well informed before you think about starting your online business, and that's why research is very important. That's number one. Now, number two, after you've done your research, you need to select a niche. A niche is just an area that you want to focus on. You can't do all the business. You can't do all the businesses at once. Okay, you can't do 3, 4, 5 businesses when you are starting out. So you need to pick an area. You need to identify a specific market segment to target. A niche focus helps you tailor your offerings and stand out in a crowded online space. The internet is very wide, so you must pick one. Okay, that's picking your niche. You must pick one and major on that one. And when you start seeing growth, you can now diversify to any other part you want to go into. Now you can decide that you want to be creating digital products. You can decide that you want to be selling services. You can decide that you want to start maybe an agency, a digital marketing agency. You can decide that you want to go into e-commerce, or you want to be doing copywriting, or you want to do affiliate marketing, or you want to do domain flipping. You can decide on whichever niche you want to go into. The important thing here is you need to just pick one niche. Okay, that's number 2. Now number 3, after you have picked your niche, okay, after you have picked your niche, the next thing is to start learning. Continuous education is key. You need to stay updated on industry development, digital marketing, and evolving technologies to maintain your competitive edge. If you decide that, okay, I want to go into affiliate marketing business, the next thing to do is to go ahead and start learning about affiliate marketing. Okay, you can go to YouTube, watch videos, start watching videos. You can watch 10 videos, 20 videos, and by the time you've watched all of these videos, you have a good idea about what you are about to go into. Okay, another way you can learn is to get courses. Okay, another way you can learn is to get courses. You can spend some money. All right, online business is not just something you just go into and go to YouTube and start watching a lot of videos and expect to see results. Sometimes you might need to invest some good amount of money to learn from people who are actually doing it. I get what I'm saying. So before I go to the next one, if you are intending you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, all right, you can go to the comment section. Just drop it in the comment section. Also, if you have any online business you want to learn, go to the comment section and drop it. Okay, and I'm going to respond to you. So what I was saying is you need to invest in learning. Online business involves a lot of sacrifices. Okay, so sometimes you might need to spend your money to get courses that can help you understand the kind of business you want to go into. All right, so that's number 3. Number 4, all right, number 4 is that you set your goals. You need to set clear goals. What do you want to achieve with your business? How much do you want to make? Okay, you need to define short-term and long-term objectives. You need to understand, where am I going with your business? Who is your customers? How much do you want to make at the end of the month? How much? Okay, so that's a goal. A goal provides direction. When you have a goal, it gives you something to pursue. All right, helping you to measure your success and adapt your strategies accordingly. So as you're working with your goal and you're achieving it, you start seeing that you're doing well, and then you start increasing your goals. All right, so that's number 4. Okay, number 4. Now number 5 is to set up systems. The online business works based on strategies. You don't just jump in and expect that everything works for you like that. No, people online are different from the behavior of people online is different from the behavior of people offline when they're buying. You understand? If someone is to buy something from you offline, they are seeing the product. All right, they are seeing you face to face. But when it's online, it's quite different. People will hardly trust. All right, so there's a strategy for you to sell online. So you need to understand how to set up systems. You need to set up your systems. You need to establish robust systems for your online business. This includes a user-friendly website. Maybe your business might be something that will require a website or a landing page. You can do that, okay? You need to set it up. If it involves something that people are going to be paying money to have, you need to set up what we call a funnel. How are people going to contact you? How are they going to make payments? You need to look at payment gateways. All right? You need to look at customer support. Sometimes your business might require you to build a community around your product or your service. I get what I'm saying now. So you need to understand setting up of systems. All right? So if you want to learn how to build funnels, you can go to the comment section and drop a comment there. If you want to learn how to build landing pages, all right, maybe you are an affiliate marketer, or you are into e-commerce, or you want to, you want to start a business, or you already have an existing business, but you want to be selling online, but you don't have a funnel. All right. If you want to learn how that works, or you want me to build that for you, go to the comment section and drop it. All right. Drop it in the comment section. I'm going to respond to you. So that's number 5. Number 6 is to implement consistently. Consistency is the backbone of success. You need to execute your plan methodically, from content creation to marketing strategies to, creating your online presence. So the more you keep implementing, the more you keep seeing results. Now, one of the mistakes that I see 99% of people do is they implement once, twice, 3 times, and they see a challenge and they give up. It doesn't work that way. If you want to make money, on the internet, if you want to start a business that is sustainable, you need to implement consistently. That's the power. That's the secret of being successful with an online business. All right. So this is how to start an online business. This is the roadmap of how to start an online business. I believe that for these 6 ways, these 6 things I've mentioned now, you have learned something from this video. If you have a question for me, drop it in the comment section. And if you need me to create, to mentor you on the exact business that you can start and start making money in the next 30 days, drop a comment in the comment section and I'm going to see you and respond to your comments. One more thing, go to the link in the description. I'm going to drop a link to 5 businesses that you should invest in before 2024. All right, 5 businesses you should invest in before 2024. So just go to the link in the description. I'm going to drop all the links that you need. Go to the link in my description. You're going to find all of that. If you got value from this video, kindly tap the like button, tap the subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the notification bell so that when I post new videos, you'll be first to be notified. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.